Okay, so now I have my little tent. I need to figure out how to assemble this. So I'm going to unbox it today. All right, and I also have another refrigerator coming, so I'm gonna just put it right here because the refrigerator I have inside is not enough for me to put, you know, whatever I wanted to put. And of course the kitchen is not that big either, so I made this as my kitchen. And of course I got my, you know, my stuff over here, you know, some canned foods or whatever I need. And that's my fryer over there because I love frying. Okay, so I just had to figure out things here and get organized. All right, okay, so I'm unboxing. Mukha siyang complicated i-assemble. Here are the other stuff that goes with it. Yeah, it looks like complicated, but I'm gonna try to figure out anyway how to do it. Okay, they just delivered my 7.5 cubic feet refrigerator as well. I'm so glad he was able to unbox it for me and get rid of this. There you go, Frigidaire, top freezer refrigerator. I got it 7.5 cubic feet. I got it from Walmart and it was just delivered today because, you know, the freezer and fridge inside is not enough for me. Okay, I have also one at home, but I don't want to bother going and taking it. It's already full anyway. So this is it. Yeah, I didn't realize it was actually that big. So that's it. So I'm going to start filling up with some other stuff because really I need more space for my food. Okay guys, so this is the life of a camper. So I just got my refrigerator, freezer delivered, and I'm unboxing right now my tent. So I'm gonna have a good life over here with my dogs, and at the same time I still go home every day in order to get ready to work. Okay. So I was already able to connect it right here. So now I'm going to put some food. Okay, let's see what's inside. Alright, that's the freezer. And this is down here. Alright, 1, 2, 3. 3 layers, and then here. Okay, sure. Okay, almost, but not quite. Ang hirap palang magbahay-bahay. Hirap palang magcamping. Okay. That one and that one. Okay, it's almost now. Yan yung roof niya. Okay, so the owner of this RV right here, which is really big, is leaving and she wants to give it to me. Okay, so I could actually use this and put my 2 little babies over here, and I can actually have the other one, my newer one, as my own space. So this is so perfect.
You got air conditioning here and you got in the back there.
Wow. Okay.
Bedroom.
So she's leaving all the air conditioning.
Yes, they stay.
Okay.
Yes.
And then she really made it nice, you know. She really had, you know, put them together, which is really good. This is already a house, actually. Wow, this is cool.
This be your water.
Okay.
The sewer line comes straight, boom, no tank. This is a straight flush.
Wow.
They call this a park model.
Oh, that's perfect. Okay. It's actually big. It looks like a house already. She really made it as a house. Oh, wow. And she said that she's going to give it to me for free.
Storage shed, yes.
So all I have to do is pay another space rent. That's cool. Wow. I can live with it. I can live with that. It's cool. I would take it. Ayun, I finally got my tent set up here. Ayun. Buti na lang tinulungan ako ng kapitbahay ko. Nahirapan ako mag-isa eh. Ayan na, dyan na yung lutuan ko para hindi dito sa loob. Tapos dito naman, nakatago yung isang ref ko. Dyan, tinakpan ko muna kasi yan ang transfer ko dun sa bago kong RV later on. And also, I have another freezer also where I live right now at home. So, ilalagay ko rin yun para dalawa sila. Okay, so these are my two cars. Here we are, the Soul, the Cadillac Escalade, and this is now my RV. Now it's a home. So, while waiting for my other RV to be vacated by March 12, I put my my refrigerator over here. I covered it for a while. Yeah. Kasi maano ng heat. Sisirain ng heat. Yun. So that's my new refrigerator that actually arrived today. Yun. Hindi makita. Yun. Yun. Malaki siya. And then, of course, the tent that I had to set up today is already there. I didn't have to put the side walls, the plastic side walls, kasi I was told that it will just be blown up by the wind, so better not. Plus, I'm using this as my kitchen, so it's not really advisable to put the side walls because there are plastics as well. So, ayun. So, dito ang aking kitchen. So, that's where I put my tent. Ayan. So may bahay-bahay na ako, di ba? And then I'm going to move also my dogs to the other RV that was given to me for free. So dito ako nagpa-fry. Ayan. Yan siya. Oh, diba? Tapos may little cabinet naman ako dito. Diyan ko nilalagay yung mga delata, mga kung anik-anik. Mga anik-anik, delatas, mga punong-puno, bibigat pa, hindi ko mahila. Okay, so ito naman, that is a bed actually, camping bed that we used before, but now, dahil ayaw nila na mag-bed kasi natatakot sila pag naitali. Tapos ito naman, I put some whatever food. Yep. So, okay na. I'm okay now here. Okay na. So, mas masarap ang buhay kasi dito. Maaliwalas. Parang nagka-camping ka lang. Nagbabahay-bahayan lang. O, diva. Nagbabahay-bahayan lang. Tapos maganda rin yung isa. Na ano. Maganda rin. So, I'm gonna have both. That's gonna be a place for them. I'm still gonna be there with them. But I'm gonna use this exclusively for me if ever I just wanted to rest na walang abala. Okay? Hindi rin ako nakakatulog kasi pagkasama ko sila eh. Kaya mas maganda na lang yung yung mag-isa na lang muna ako sa aking lugar. Aking RV din. Ayun. Okay, yun na yung my territory. Ayan, malaki yung territory ko. Malaki yung space. Lot of spaces. Ayan na yung RV. Okay. Ayan. Tapos, eto naman yung yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na binigay na sa akin actually. I already talked to the owner a while ago. She's a lady but a little older than me. So, it's just 1 block away actually. So that's her place over there. Yun lang oh. Diba? Tatawid lang ako. Nandun na siya. Kasi one time I was actually passing by. Sabi ko, okay yun. Nilagyan niya ng bakod. Siya lang yung RV dito na nakabakod. Lahat na parang bahay na talaga. Ayun pala. Dito na talaga siya. Dito na siya talaga nagtagal na siya dito. So, ang gagawin, lilipat na lang sila sa ibang city. Yan, kasama yung nasa tabi ko. Bali, sa kanya na lang pala sila. Sa kanya na lang, sa kanila na lang pala siya titira. So, eto na siya, oh. Yan, oh. Di ba ang ganda? Yan, buong bahay na yan. Ginawa na niyang bahay, oh. Looks good and it's gonna be mine. It's actually big, you know. Tapos meron pa siyang, ano, may area na siya na pwedeng tambayan. Tapos ganun. Mas malaki siya. Mahaba. 36 feet. Parang bahay na talaga dun. Yan, I showed you a while ago. Yan. Kasi doon kayo mga gamit niya. Tatanggalin niya lahat on March 12. So that would be like 3 weeks from now. Magiging akin. Tapos may shed din pala siya doon. May shed doon siya. Oh. Yan. Storage. May storage din akong binili. Kasong alam. Di pa dumating. So, ito ang RV Park. Riviera RV Park. O, diba? Ang ganda. Maluwang din siya. Ganito pag gabi. Plus, it's actually very safe also here. It's very safe kasi may mga guards, security guards who are roaming around. Lagi. Nakaano lang sila. Sakay lang sila sa sa electric e-bike. Ganun. Para ikot-ikot. Ganun. Ang galing. Dami, oh. So, it's just very close to me actually. Tapos, eto naman yung oh. Yan na yung public restroom, bathroom, and storage. I mean laundry. Yan na yun. Nasa tapat ko lang siya. Pero I've never used it. Kasi kompleto naman ako eh. Meron naman CR, meron naman bathroom. May liguan. Yung ganun. So, I've never used it yet. But it actually... So, this is me. Yan. Those are my 2 cars. So, nandun na yung akin. Oh, diva. Nice. I love it. I'm so glad. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I will have 2 RVs already for my puppies and then now for me. This is going to be for me. So, I will have my own privacy also. I cook and everything. So, alright. So, yun na. Yun ang buhay ko. Uupo-upo na lang muna ako dito. Okay. Upo-upo na lang muna. And then tomorrow again, I have to go back home and get ready over there because that's what I always do. Because today is my day off actually. That's why I had the chance to really set up my tent, you know. But I didn't finish with the walls and everything because they said, no, you don't need to because it's going to be blown away. So it will just get damaged, okay? So I have to really believe them because the other day it was really very windy and it was just blowing everywhere, you know. So I just have to be careful. Pero okay na to. Total dito nagpa-fry. Nagdi-deep fry ako dito. Tapos yun lang naman ginagamit ko, deep fryer. Tapos meron din akong rice cooker. Tapos meron din ako yung yung isang multi-purpose cooker din na pwede kong kung sakali mag-tenderize ako ng meat, mga ganun. So, ayun. Ganun na lang. Sarap ng buhay. Sarap kasi ma-enjoy ko rin yung yung hangin. Ma-enjoy ko yung kalangitan. Dito lang ako sa labas. It's safe. So, you know, kasi doon sa bahay, doon na tinitirahan ko ngayon, hindi siya safe kung nasa labas ka o whatever kasi mahirap na, di ba? Ito kasi, gated community, gated talaga ito na talaga, park talaga to, na exclusively para lang sa mga RV, RV tenants, diba? So, that's it. That's my life. So cute.